Welcome back. For the first time in the history of Konkani cinema, a film release has seen a houseful board on the first day all over Goa. Makers of Konkani feature film Home Sweet Home claim that almost all shows are going houseful at all the theatres in Goa this weekend. People who watched this movie, including ace filmmaker Rajendra Talak, had laurels for the movie.
ऑलमोस्ट आयचे सॅटर्डेचे शो सुद्धा सगळे हाऊसफुल गेल्ले आसा. वास्कोचे आणि मडगावचे 50% ऑलरेडी एडवान्स बुकिंग जाल्ले आसा. आयनॉक्स आणि बिचोले तसेच सिने वर्ल्ड मार्शल ऑलरेडी बुक जाल्ले आसा.
स्वीट होम 26 डिसेंबराक रिलीज जाला आणि ऑलमोस्ट काल एक रिकॉर्ड केला गोवन फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीन होम स्वीट होमान. खूप बरी गोष्ट आसा ही आमच्या फिल्मा खातीरूय बीन आणि गोवन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री खातीरूय. ऑलमोस्ट सगळ्या थिएटरांनी हाऊसफुल शो आशिल्लो, एक थिएटर सोडलें जाल्यार. आणि आज जितलो पर्यंत सद्या रिपोर्ट मेळ्ळा त्या रिपोर्टा प्रमाणे सगळ्या थिएटरांनी मोर दॅन 50% तिकेट बुकींग ऑलरेडी जाला.
हे आमचे पिक्चर म्हणून सगळ्यांनी हे पळोवपाक निखाले येवचे. सगळ्या कडेन मागता परत एकदा होम स्वीट होम सक्सेसफूल करात.
आणि बेस्ट पिक्चर मूवी लागले आणि म्हाका दिसता की गोंयकार सगळे जाण पळोवंक जाय. ते
बऱ्या प्रश्नांक वाचा फोडलेली आसा आणि गोंयान जे बाकीचे इश्यूज आसात जे आयज फक्त तेंच्यांनी हांगासर एक स्पर्श केला डायलॉगांसून, तेय बी तेंच्यांनी फुडें हाडचे.
Every Goan has to watch this film and take some important notes from this film.
Panji police have requested schools to hire private security guards with firearms. Panji police held a meeting with management of schools of Panji and Talegaon to discuss security situation in the schools. This meeting was held in the wake of terror attack in Pakistan. Following high alert issued by Ministry of Home Affairs in wake of Peshawar school terror attack, Panji police on Saturday held a meeting with management of schools of Panji and Talegaon to discuss security situation of the schools. Representatives of 22 schools participated in the meeting and discussed different security aspects.
We have also been initiated into this kind of higher security for our young students. Some of them had walls which are not very high, where students also can jump out, others also can jump in. And there are some who said that they do not have the lady teachers who can go along with the buses that take the children to home and back to school. So these were the concerns that were there, which I think Sir has replied to them aptly and said there are certain things that which he can take care of, but there are others which the government has to take care of, and some which the PTA has to take care of, and some the principals and the teachers themselves have to be disciplined.
Panji PI Rajendra Prabhudesai has asked the management to adopt security measures for the schools.
लास्ट पाकिस्तानाक जो अटॅक जालो ताजेरूय बी आमी तांकां ब्रिफींग केलें मातशें. आनीक आमी तांकां रिक्वेस्ट केला की एक आर्म्ड सेक्युरिटी गार्ड्स दवरचे फ्रॉम रेप्युटेड सेक्युरिटी एजन्सीज which are registered with government. But some schools are having difficulty financially, so we have told them to get back to education department to sort out the issue.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.